Hello aspirants and welcome to one more session with Hitesh Hariramani. That's me. Today we are going to see some more problems on permutations and combinations. At any point, if any concept is required, any theory is required, I'll be more than happy to help you with the concept. Let us get going. Let us start this. Announcements to begin with. You can use Hitesh Live, that is my code, to avail 10% discount on all your courses, all your purchases, whether it is iconic or whether it is plus. This is iconic CAT that I was telling you about. In iconic CAT, plus educators will continue to teach you. We are the plus educators, will teach you for sure. And you're also getting benefited by guidance given by Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta passouts. We don't have colleges on a higher level than ABC, and you are going to get mentored by ABC passouts. So, guys, it cannot get better than this. You're getting trained by educators with 10 years of experience, 15 years of experience, people who have scored 99 percentile 8 times, 9 times, and you're getting mentored by people who have been to these IIMs. So, what are you waiting for? Use the code Hitesh Live, start your preparation early, and maybe if you study well, you could be here with us. Yes, studying well and scoring are the key criteria to be here on our board. So the plus batches that we are launching for you every 2 days, 3 days, we launch a new batch for you. Why? So that you could have a choice. You can study from Rahul Anand or Ajinkya Chopade or Vilasha Swaroop, or you can learn from Praveen Tyagi, Udit Saini, Shruti Kaura. You can change educators, you can change batches. If you're not able to keep up with one educator, you can switch. If you're not able to keep up with one particular timing, you can switch. Let me confirm the audio video. There's some issue with the audio video. Is the audio fine? The audio is fine. All right, let us continue. Let us continue. So I was telling you about plus batches. The benefits of joining plus batches is or are, see, everything is well structured. We are told, sir, 20 sessions, you must complete this. Every session should be this many hours. So it is well structured for everyone. Then we are given freedom to conduct every fourth session as doubt solving. You'll never see doubt solving programmed with other players in regional players or regional cities. Plus every module ends with a quiz to check your performances. These quizzes are mock level questions you get at the end of every module. These are all benefits of Plus. Once you join Plus subscription, you can rewatch these lectures, you can download these lectures, you can also communicate with us. You can reach out to my profile unacademy.com/@hari.h. On my profile right now, you'll find more than 95 hours of free content. Why do we upload free content? So you guys can judge our performance. You can decide who teaches better or whose teaching do you like, and you can join his or her batch. Use my code. If you use my code, you are bound to get awesome 10% discount. And in return, I will start getting more plus batches. So please use my code. This is my profile. I've been training aspirants now for 13 years. I've sent thousands of students to top tier colleges. These are some of my percentiles over the years. And I've worked with all these players, national and local players. The methods I share with you are the methods that have helped me in scoring percentiles like these. If you learn these methods well, if you apply these methods well, you are bound to do well in the exam. Let's start problem solving. On 6 month subscription, you are bound to get 1 month for free. A huge offer. Why? 10% I am getting you. I am giving you 10% discount with my code. And this is 14% discount. That is 24% discount. Avail these offers, guys. This is the best time to enroll and start your preparation. So, question on the screen. I'll wait 1 minute for you, 1.5 minute for you. Solve this. Give it a try. Give me an answer. Those of you who are still not on the Unacademy platform, join the platform at the earliest. Create your profile. Activate your profile with my code Hitesh Live. Why do I say so? Right now, I'm running a series of sessions from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. daily, absolutely daily, in which I'm covering LRDI for free. Till now, I have covered 21 sessions of LRDI for free. 21 sessions, mind you. All sessions are unique, all cases are different. And then I'm live for you from 10:30 to 11:30 p.m. Here I'm covering quant for you. Today I'm going to start with time, speed, distance. Join an academy, guys, at the earliest. If you want to benefit from all the free content, all the senior faculty that are training, make your profile, create a profile, activate a profile on the app immediately. In how many ways can in how many ways can 8 directors, the vice chairman, the chairman of a firm be seated around a circular table? If the chairman sits between vice chairman and the director, what is going on? There are 8 directors. There is a vice chairman. There is a chairman. Where are they going to be placed? They are going to be placed on a circular table. So I'm going to need 10 spaces. I'm going to have 10 spaces here. If the chairman has to sit between vice chairman and the director. Now, who is that director? I do not know. There is somebody who is the director. You don't have to select that person. He's already there. So you want chairman to be between a director and vice chairman. So in permutations combinations, in circular arrangement, we tell you should place that person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Imagine there are 10 equally spaced places. This person has put up a condition that I want these people to be my neighbors. You ask the chairman to take his place. Chairman can either go here or here or here or here or here. Understand, the first person who is going to be placed, the chairman, will feel the all places look the same, because circle has no beginning, no ending, no left, no center. So chairman will feel all the places are same. So placement of chairman, only one. Placement of the first person on the circle does not matter. Write this down somewhere. Placement of the first person on the circle does not matter. Why? Because all places look the same. Chairman has been placed. Now, can I say this can be vice chairman, this can be director, or this can be director, this can be vice chairman? These two people combined can be placed in two ways. Once these three have taken their positions, understand, now there is a left position from chairman, there is second left, third left. Other places are different now. How many people do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 people are to be arranged. There are 7 named places, 7 defined places. So arrangement of them will be 7 factorial. So 2 arrangement for chairman, director, vice chairman, and 7 factorial arrangements for others. So your answer is going to be C, 2 into 7 factorial. Any one of you has any doubts, ask me immediately. I'll be happy to help. I'll be happy to solve it for you one more time. Guys, education is a two-way street. You should be able to put your questions across. I'll be happy to answer them. If any of you is interested in joining us on Unacademy, you can see on the top of the chat, admins have shared a link. You can simply click on the link and follow the link to enroll. This is the best time to start because you're getting on 6 months, you're getting 1 month free. So if you join now, not only you can cover CAT, you can cover maybe ZAT also. Because if I talk about end of May, End of November is 6 months. End of December is next one. Abhishek Beta, that is the idea. You have to solve so many variations of this. You have to solve so many questions that in the exam you are dead sure. You don't get confused there. That is why we say at this stage, learn theory from one source and solve questions from minimum two sources. Follow minimum two sources for problem solving so that they can give you different kinds of questions. So let us continue with this. Let us continue with this idea. Let us try more questions. This is the CAT 2001 problem. This is called networks en route, and this kind of representation has appeared in DI many times in CAT and other exams also. So take it, give it a shot. I'll wait for a minute. Counting number of roads, counting number of networks is a fairly common kind of question in CAT and DI and other exams also. I'll give you a very standard approach for this. A lot of people end up doing this manually. From A you go to B, B to C, C to F. So A, B, C, F is one way. From A you can go to B and then B to F, that is one way. Then A to B to E, A to B to E to F, A to D, A to B to D to E. All of this will drain your energy, will slow you down. So how would I suggest you to solve this? This principle is called principle of counting. Principle of OR it is called. See, if I'm standing on this road, at this road I'm standing, at this point I'm standing, can I say there is only one way that I have to come from A? There is no other way to come to that particular point. But that road carries a value 1. This road carries a value. Have I covered every road coming to D? Have I covered every road coming to D? No, this road is remaining. So I cannot go further. Language. Until you cover every road coming to that point, you cannot go further. Have I covered every road coming to B? Absolutely. One road comes to B and the value is 1. So there is one way to reach B. So if I'm standing here, I'm coming from B, there is one way. So this will carry 1, this will carry 1, this will also carry 1, this will also carry 1. The value that reaches a junction, it goes forward, it continues forward. So look at this point D. I have covered everything. 1 plus 1. There are two ways to come to D. In two ways I can come to D. So this road will carry the value 2. This road will carry the value 2. I have covered everything coming to C. 1 is coming from B. 2 is coming from D. So 3 numbers are coming to C. Very easy step. So this 3 will carry forward. This 3 will carry forward. So what are the numbers coming here? The numbers coming here are 2, 1 and 3. 2 and 1, 3 and 3, 6. 6 numbers are coming here. 6 numbers will go forward. So what is the addition of numbers coming to this point F? 3, 1 and 6. Because you are seeing this for the first time, I'm explaining this for the first time, it might have taken some time. Let us do this one more time, slightly faster. See, this road carries value 1, carries value 1. So this value 1 goes forward, 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 forward. This carries 2. So 2 goes forward from here. This one carries 3. So 3 goes forward everywhere. So this is 1, 2, 3. 6 goes forward. So 3, 1 and 6 is 10. The number that reaches to the corner is the number of ways that can be counted. Learn these tricks. Let me check the audio video one more time if there's an echo. Perfect. Perfect. More questions. At this one. Again, it's a CAT problem. The counting based problem again. No formula of P and C will help us here. Don't go for formulas. I'll wait for 2 minutes. In the meantime, if you have anything to ask, anything to add, I'll be happy to respond. Share your questions, share your comments. I'll be happy to answer. Start. Let us start. There are 12 towns grouped into 4 zones with three towns per zone. 3 towns per zone. It is intended to connect these towns with telephone lines such that every 2 towns are connected with 3 direct lines if they belong to the same zone. With only one direct line otherwise. How many direct lines of telephone are required? I got an idea about the variation going on. Entire thing has been divided into 4 zones. These are 4 zones. And there are 3 towns in each. There are 3 towns in each zone. Now, erase that. Now, when you connect them within the zone, if they belong to the same zone, the 2 towns are connected by 3 lines. So let me focus on just one. 1, 2, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. There are 9 lines required in just one zone. And there are 4 zones. So I will be definitely requiring 36 lines. Same goes inside. So inside lines I'm done with. Now the question says you will have one direct line to every other city otherwise. So if I focus on this city, this one, this particular town, outside there are 3 here and 3 here. So 9. This one will have 9 direct connections. This one will have 9 connections. This one will have 9 connections. This one will have 9 connections. So 27 connections for the zone 1. Zone 1. This is done. I will not even think about this. This one has got 3 connections here, 3 connections here. So this one has got 6 connections. This one has got 6 connections. This one has got 6 connections. In zone 1, already connections are done. Do not go back. You are wasting time. So from zone 1, you go on to zone 2. In zone 2, this one will have 3 connections here, 6 connections. 6 connections, 6 connections, 6 connections. That is 18 connections from zone 2. Zone 3. Zone 3. This one will have 3 connections. This one will have 3 connections and 9. So this is the answer, guys. This is the answer. So that 9 is hidden behind my image. That is the answer. 9. 9 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 27, 54. 54 plus 36. Learn these tricks. Learn these methods of solving, guys. 90 is the answer. Approach for LRDI. Abhishek, beta, you join me on Unacademy app daily at 5 p.m. I'll be happy to help you out. So far, I have completed 21 sessions of LRDI, 1 hour each, free sessions. You join me on Unacademy app, I'll be happy to answer them. Or you can reach out to my profile, www.unacademy.com/@hurry.h. @hurry.h. Let us move on. Let us try and solve more questions. So I'll wait for a minute or so. I'll wait for maybe 2 minutes. You guys solve. Solve this question, guys. Any CAT related query, preparation related query, quant related query, I'll be happy to answer. A man has 9 friends. 9 friends. 4 boys and 5 girls. Mohan, very good evening. Right now, algebra is going on Unacademy free sessions. I've already completed PNC with 12 sessions. Arithmetic I'm covering on weekdays. Algebra is currently going on. I have conducted 5 sessions on algebra. I'll be taking maybe 5 or 6 more sessions on algebra. Algebra I am conducting on weekends, Saturday and Sunday. 3 lectures, 3 lectures. Let us come back to this. A man has 9 friends, 4 boys and 5 girls. In how many ways can he invite them if there have to be exactly 3 girls in the invitees? This person X has got 4 boys as friends and 5 girls as friends. In how many ways can he invite them that there must be 3 girls, exactly 3 girls? So out of these 8, I'm going to perform a selection of 3. Any 3 girls can be there. So 8 combination 3. How do we calculate combinations faster? This is how we calculate combinations faster. 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. This lower number tells us how to follow the reverse order. So this is gone 6. This is 56. So in 56 ways, girls can be selected. If you want to verify these calculations, go ahead. Oh, 5 girls are there. 5C3. 5 girls are there. 5C3. 5C3 is 5 into 4 into 3 upon 3 into 2 into 1. Cancel, cancel. 10. Guys, in 10 ways, girls can be selected. Now, boys, listen to this. Boys. This person, this person does not care whether boys come or not, or how many boys come. So A can be selected or rejected. B can be selected or rejected. Selected or rejected. Selected or rejected. So these boys have 2 to the power 4 options. 160 ways. 160 ways. When it is your choice to bring in 1 person or 2 person or 3 person out of a group, the number of ways are 2 to the power n. Write this down somewhere. These 4 boys, this person X might call anyone or 2 or 3 or no one. That is his choice. So it is 2 to the power n ways always. Always 2 to the power n ways when you have a choice of selecting or not selecting any person in the. Learn these tricks. Learn this result 2 to the power n. Sir, CAT में PNC के 2 to 3 questions आते हैं. See, out of 26 questions, there was 1 question of PNC in 2020. 2019, there was no question on PNC in the morning and noon slots. 2018, there were 2 questions each slot. 2017, there were 2-3 questions each slot. Yes. And in years like 2014, 15, 16, there used to be 3 and 4 questions of PNC and 1 question on probability. PNC probability was a big deal in those days. Announcements. 10% I am able to get you with my code. You want more? Compete करना पड़ेगा. You can get 75% scholarship if you rank from 4 to 10 nationally in the combat. You can get 100% fees waiver if you rank 1, 2, 3 nationally. You can get 50% fees waiver if you rank 11 to 50, and so on and so forth. Combat. Even if you are already a plus subscriber, you do not want discount, let us say. You should appear combat because combat is an event of national level. You are solving mock like questions. You are getting video solutions at the end of the event. What more can you ask for? We suggest you to appear live 35 to 40 mocks in order to crack CAT. Here you are getting a small mock exam every Sunday. Sunday 12 p.m. Every Sunday 12 p.m. It's a scholarship test for you. Appear Unacademy Combat. You can use my code Hitesh Live to unlock this. And once you do, appear, crack, score. That is what combat is about. That is what CAT is about. Ask a Doubt feature is live for everyone. Simply take a photo of a question, cut out the question, send it to us. Make sure options are visible. Don't send the entire page. If you send the entire page, it is difficult to read and solve. Make sure options are visible. We'll be more than happy to answer it for you. This is our Ask a Doubt feature. More questions, guys. 2003. C stands for cancelled. The exam was cancelled because the exam paper got leaked that year. Solve on the screen for you. I'll wait for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Right now, I'm live on alternate days on YouTube. I'm live today. I'll be live a day after tomorrow. I'll be continuing probably with PNC. I'll raise the bar of these questions. Now, Abhishek, that is a personal choice, but see, you already know what is your weakness. The common sense dictates you start with the weakness so that you can improve on it. Common sense, think over this. I'm not able to do something well. If I start that thing now, soon I'll be able to complete the basics of it. Then I can go on and raise the level. But if I keep it for the last minute, I may not end up doing well. Common sense, think over this. There are 6 boxes numbered 1, 2, 3, and so on, till 6. Each box is filled with either a red or a green ball in such a way that at least one box contains a green ball and the boxes containing green ball are consecutively numbered. What is being said? The total number of ways in which this can be done is you have a box. That box is numbered 1, numbered 2, numbered 3, numbered 4, numbered 5, and numbered 6. You have red and green balls. How many balls do we have is not mentioned. So the number of balls is not the deal yet. In how many ways can you fill these so that minimum one box contains green ball, and if there are more green balls, those boxes are consecutively numbered. So what I get here as an idea is this is not a formula based question. I have deliberately put questions which are based on counting so that you solve these questions without heavy formulas. I'm going to count the number of green. If the number of green ball is 1, it can go in any one of these. The green ball can go in any one of these. There are 6 ways. The rest will be red. Rest will be red. Now follow the language. If there are 2 green balls, follow this very carefully. 2 green balls are there. They can be either 1, 2, or they can be 2, 3, or they can be 3, 4, or they can be 4, 5, or they can be 5, 6. What is happening? Because you have two green balls and they must be consecutively numbered, or the boxes in which they go must be consecutively numbered. So it is done in one way, two way, three way, four way, and five way. Did you see? You increase the number of balls, ways decreased by one. If I have three green balls, think of this. If I have three green balls, it can be in 1, 2, 3, green, green, green. It could be 2, 3, 4. It could be 3, 4, 5. It could be 4, 5, 6. So the counting is in observe. When the balls are three, how many ways do you have? One way, two way, three way, and four ways. Every time I add a ball, the number of ways are decreased. If I add one more ball, the number of ways are decreased. If I add one more, because all six can be green, so one way. So how many ways are there? Number of ways is the addition of all of this. This is called successive numbers 1 up to n. The formula goes as n into n plus 1 by 2. You don't want to apply a formula, add manually. 21 ways are there. 6 plus 5, 11, plus 4, 15, plus 3, 18, plus 2, 20, plus 1, 21 ways are there. This is how you approach a PNC problem. This was a basic principle of counting based question. Either case 1 or case 2 or case 3 or case 4, and keep on adding those values till then. That's it. Let us try a few more problems, then we'll call it a day. Now this question is from 2007, and similar question appeared in 2008. There were two questions there as a caselet, and then one appeared in 2019 morning slot. So questions do repeat with different complexity, with different level of asking the question. How does this kind of question get solved? In the adjoining figure, the lines represent roadways allowing only northward travel or westward travel. If you are at a point, you will only go up or left, up or left. These are the only two choices that you have. In how many ways or in how many distinct routes can a car reach point B from point A? There's a car here. There's a car here. That car is trying to reach to point B. In how many ways can this be done? On plus courses, I would have loved to derive the result for you. So you can see how does the result work internally. But we are on YouTube. We have a limited amount of time here. Let me share the approach directly with you. If a car has to go from A to B, one way or other, it has to travel up. It has to travel up 3 times. If a car wants to go from A to B, it has to travel left 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. It has to travel left 5 times. It must make 8 moves. It has to make total 8 moves. Out of these 8 moves, I can perform selection of 3 or I can perform selection of 5. The job is done. If this was plus course, I will be going into the detail of how did I get these results? How are these results working? In fact, usually I derive the formula of combination. How we get the formula as this? I will also derive for you 0 factorial is equal to 1 in 3 ways. But that is all plus. बेटा जो असली माल masala learning hai, that goes on in plus. YouTube sessions and free classes in a way are demos for you. And these demos come with limitations. On plus, everything is well structured and absolutely detailed. So if you want to ask me, sir, what is the difference between a plus course and a special class? I completed PNC in 12 hours on special classes. On language, on plus 24 hours, including doubt solving, including telegram support, including personal mentoring, where to solve the questions from, what level of questions to solve. So plus is twice better than the special classes, guys, in numerous ways. Every module ends with a quiz. Think over this, consider this. If you are serious about CAT preparation, join us on plus. We leave other competitors behind in the dust by miles when it comes to plus. We have faculties with experience 22 years, 13 years, 15 years. So plus is where your preparation starts. This is the question from 2008. In the next session, we'll pick it up. 50 minutes are up, guys. If you are liking these sessions, you are learning something from these sessions, do not forget to subscribe. Tell your friends about these, share these links with them. Maybe they also can benefit. Plus, learning together is the right way to learn. You can compete. Let us say you and your friend, person X, has watched these videos. You guys can go on solving problems together and competing in scores. I answered five, I answered three correct out of five. I answered four correct out of five. You guys need to inculcate that competitive spirit, guys. So I'll see you day after tomorrow on YouTube. Tonight I'll see you at 10:30. I'll be starting the TSD1 session today from absolute zero. Formula of speed, time, distance, unit calculations, unit change, then proportionality concept. Then the next lecture will be on relative speed and so on and so forth. These are special classes. If you want to see the demo, you can join us in special classes before you could decide to join on Plus. My Unacademy profile is this: www.unacademy.com/@hurry.h, or you can simply search me, Hitesh Hari Raman. I'll be more than happy to guide you on that. Have a good day, guys, and keep solving problems. Keep solving problems, no exceptions.